Hello everyone, Epic Models here. Just want to let you guys know why there haven't been any uploads recently. I've just been working on a customer model. It's from a build that I've already done before. I'm probably going to redo it with a different model. So just letting you guys know. And this this current workshop is going to be torn down, and I'm going to be moving it to a larger location, and I'll just show you that. And here is where it's going to be going. Right in here. You can see I've already got a couple of diorama displays already put in place here. So I'm going to be redoing all the walls here, and then getting installed here. Well, that's coming out here. This used to be the cool room, weight room, and it's actually going to be going over here. This whole wall section here is not load bearing. It's going to be taken out, and where the current workroom is right now, this is where it's all the exercise equipment and everything's all going to go in here. And then in here, just going to have the soundproofing on the ceilings. I've already got some of the soundproofing materials. I'm going to be finishing off the closet up there as well. But what I'm going to be doing, oh, by the way, this is still for sale, if anybody's interested. So I'm going to be making a video of the build, or the rebuild, if you want to call it that, and it'll just show the process of how it's going to go and what I'm doing. So all the soundproofing's all going up in there. So this is going to be really good. Once it's all finally done, you guys will see the final result. So stay tuned for the uploads for the build. Also, for a lot of the upcoming future builds, you can see I got a whole bunch of new models here that I'm going to be doing. I've already got the electronic equipments for these models here. Going to be building those nicely, and we are going to have a lot of fun. Another build that's coming up that will be taped is for a customer who wants a Cadillac done for him. So that's going to be coming up pretty soon once I'm done with this current build here. So everyone, please like, subscribe, comment, don't forget to share, and click that notification bell for any future uploads. And always, if you have any questions or you want me to do some commission work for you, contact me at epic.models@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to build whatever you want me to do for you. I'll see you all later in the next uploaded video. Bye bye.